my name is Kristin. I work with Daily City Recreation. Today, we're gonna make it fancy by making some chocolate truffles. Place the chocolate in a heat-proof bowl and set aside. Heat the heavy cream in the microwave for 45 seconds to a minute. Pour the heavy cream over the chocolate and let it sit for 5 minutes. After the 5 minutes is up, stir until the chocolate has completely melted. Place a piece of plastic wrap directly on the surface of the mixture and refrigerate for 1 to 2 hours. After the mixture is refrigerated, scoop the mixture into mounds on a parchment paper lined baking sheet and refrigerate for another 20 to 30 minutes. You can also use a cookie scoop if you have one. After the mounds are refrigerated, roll them into any desired toppings. Eat the truffles at room temperature and enjoy!